You have heard a lot about onion, garlic, and ginger, and you desire to use it, and you have been trying your best. Sometimes things will enter your eyes and you don't know what to do. Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use it effectively and correctly to achieve the results you wanted. So first of all, I'm using onion. So you take your onion nicely, you remove the peels. The onion peels too are very nutritional. You don't throw them away. In the course of the video, I'll be teaching you how to use it in my next video. So I take the onion peels away fast, fast. Here we don't waste time. So I'll take it off and then I'll put it aside. The second ingredient we are using is garlic. I'm using two of the sizes. Yes, I'm using just two for it. And I'm also peeling it the same way. And then I'll add it to my onion. The third ingredient I'm using is ginger. I've also added it. The ginger, I didn't peel the cover because the peel is very nutritional as well. So I left it. I didn't remove. I just wash it thoroughly. You can wash it 2 to 3 times so that you don't have any sand particles on the ginger. So I'm chopping my ginger nicely. Please kindly subscribe to this channel where I bring you new things and creative ideas. In fact, this is the first time you are going to see something of this nature. Let's continue watching the video and you see what will happen along the line. So I keep on cutting my ginger. After cutting it, I now take my garlic. I'll do the same process. Sometimes it is embarrassing. You see people applying onion to their hair and it will end up entering their eyes. Why can't we find a creative way of doing it? And I promise you, this recipe you are seeing, it is the first time I'm bringing it out. So when you see it anywhere, go and compare the date and you realize that this is my creative and a genuine content I'm bringing. If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I keep on um cutting my onion nicely. So we have onion, garlic, and ginger in this bowl. Now, fast forward, we are done with the three ingredients. I'll now put it aside. Now we come to our okra. This okra looks soft. You might be thinking I've prepared it. I didn't cook it. No, this I told you earlier, this is the most creative thing you will ever see on the internet. Anywhere you see it, it means somebody has copied. Now look at what I'm doing. This onion looks soft, but I didn't cook it. What I did was that I put it inside my freezer overnight. So when I remove it from the freezer and put it down, it became, after the block melted, it became so soft. You might think I've cooked it. I didn't add any heat. I want to reap the benefits of all the nutrients. You see, I hope you are laughing. You are smiling. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas. So I keep on cutting my okra, very soft. You think I've cooked it. I didn't cook it. After cutting it, now we move on to the next step. I will now pour a cold water on it. I told you I don't want any heat in this process. So I pour the cold water on my okra. The gel is already there and the okra looked as if it has been cooked. Please take note, I didn't add fire to it. So my ingredients are ready. Keep on watching and see how I'll use this okra and this stuff. Now I'm putting the okra into my blender. The outcome will shock you. Now I'll add the mixture of the onion, garlic, and ginger to it. When you follow this process, I bet you don't have any issue concerning using garlic or onion for your hair. You always love to use it. And when you do this 4 times every wash day, I promise you, you will get a lot of results. Your hair will stop shedding, your hair will stop falling, breakage will stop, and you see maximum growth. Now I continue to sieve my okra mixture No, as if you are preparing soup. This one we only add palm oil and we prepare soup. Okay, so I'm using chiffon to squeeze the gel out. Mind you, it is very jelly. This gel contains the other three ingredients: onion, garlic, and ginger. I keep on squeezing it very, very, very thick. But along the line, I realized that this chiffon is not helping me. So I'm going to use another material to change so that it will move faster for me. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. So this is the new material I'm using. Thank you for watching this video to this time. God richly bless you. Thank you for accepting to be natural. God bless you for being a faithful person. So you see how this material is so nice, and bringing out the gel is so simple for me. We keep on extracting our gel. My gel is out. Look at how thick it is. The next thing is to pour it into my favorite bottle. So I keep on adding it into my favorite bottle. This bottle is so nice and our mixture is so thick. And God bless you for watching. So I've covered my bottle nicely. Here I am with my favorite hairdresser. See how thick? And she's enjoying the mixture. So we are going to apply our onion, garlic, and ginger. I just finger detangle my hair, took out all the knots out, the finger detangle, and she's applying it for me. Please keep watching the video so that you see every detail. Follow it and do it on every wash day. And I bet you, your hair will be grateful. So I'm teaching her how I've done everything. That's basically what I was saying in the video. I was explaining to her because she love it and she would like to use it for other customers that will be visiting her. So she'll be doing it after I left. Good. Now she keep on applying it. Hello, amazing family. She is enjoying whatever she was doing. And it's good. She promised to use it for all her natural customers. God bless you for watching to this time. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and leave a heart for me. Subscribe and share the video to others. If you struggle to comb your hair, then this recipe is going to save your hair. It's going to give you thicker hair. You know, you heard a lot about onion, garlic, and ginger. It's true, they work. But most of the time, when you apply it, it ends up entering your eyes. Then you lose hope. You don't use it again. But with this method, nothing will even pour on your skin. The okra will trap in everything and you are safe. You have this recipe is nowhere. You know, my shoulders are high because God has given me this recipe and I'm bringing it to you. This is creativity. Anywhere you see this recipe, you come back and check the date. You realize that it is a copied work. So I thank you for watching to this time. And this is a creative work. I thank myself too as for bringing this recipe. So we keep on applying it and see how the hair has become manageable. She is not using comb to suffer and be combing and be crying anyway. See how she is doing it nicely. Now she's massaging everything into my hair. After massaging, we'll be covering the hair with a rubber. Feel free and cover your hair with whatever you have. You can use anything to cover it, but don't apply heat. So this is the final look after applying the okra mixture gel. The basic process we are doing here is called pre-poo. Pre-poo protects the hair. We'll cover it and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. You can leave it for 1 hour. After 30 minutes, I will be rinsing it off. Then we shampoo the hair. After shampooing, I'll be doing deep conditioning. I'll leave the link of the deep conditioner in the description box, or you check the next video that will pop up. Then you do your deep conditioning, then you braid. Thank you for watching. God bless you.